Hey everyone, welcome back again to the React.js beginner course. So in this video, we'll be exploring about the app component as well as the JSX that I've explained in the previous video. So if you find this interesting, let's get started right away. So the initial step is to look over inside our app.js file. So at the first line, we have something called as import app.css. So this is coming from our CSS file. So this is pretty much for the styles that we need to style our web pages. Okay, so we're pretty much importing that. So for the styles to work, we need to import the css file for that particular component. Okay, so after that we have the app component. So for app component we have a app.css file, so that's the reason we are importing it over here. So inside our app component we are returning the JSX, that is the div. So pretty much talking about JSX, so JSX stands for JavaScript XML, and it allows us to write HTML inside of a React application. Okay, that's the basic definition of it. We'll go through it and explore about it more. And over here inside the div, it has the class name of app, and we are returning basically a h2 tag that we have written yesterday, that is let's learn react.js. Okay, so over here we can initialize all our function declarations as well as variable declarations, and then use it inside our JSX over here with the help of a curly bracket in if in case we need to access that particular value. All right, so let us initialize something and then let's try to access it. Okay, let's write a const name equals to any name, let's say Rahul. Okay, and then let us initialize a h3 tag, and let's give a message which says your name is, we're opening up the bracket that is curly braces, and then let us initialize let us get the name. Okay, to get the value of Rahul. So pretty much let's write that over here. So save the file. So now if I open the web page, you should get the tag that is your name is Rahul. Okay, let's check that out. Yeah, so we are getting the text message which says your name is Rahul. So that's the basic way you can use JSX, that is by initializing a value over here. Okay, so now let us initialize the object. Okay, which has the value of first name. Okay, as well as a value of the last name. Let's say Prabhu. Okay, so let us also initialize a function over here. So let's say function handle name of user. Let's make use of arrow function. Okay, over here let us simply return the user dot first name. Let's give a space and let us write user dot last name. So this is the way you need to access the value inside of an object, that is user dot first name and user dot last name, and in the center we are giving just a space. Okay, so next inside our JSX we are going to write, let's say, a p tag, and we are going to say your name is, open up the braces. Okay, we are going to call the function that is handle name of, we're going to pass the object that we initialize right here. Okay, that is user, and let's remove this h3 tag, that's not required. So what this is going to do is we are calling the function over here that is handle name of user. So this is going to take the user object inside of function, and we're going to return the first name plus the space as well as the last name. Okay, so let's save the file and check. Okay, yeah, so it should give us the name, your name is Rahul Prabhu, that is whatever the name we have given inside our object tag. Okay, so this is the way pretty much you can use JavaScript JSX inside our application by initializing all the values whichever we want, and yeah, that's the way it is done. So I think we have explored about the app component and as well as the JavaScript XML that I've explained. So I think that's it for this video. Let's see you in the next video, and then thank you for watching.